Pipeline factory errors. Let's add some more robustness. This is our ArtGirl error check, and if we have caused WebGL to propagate an error, then this will have a value that is not equal to no error, and we will end up in here. And we need to somehow get the error message out, so I thought a really easy way would be to create a dictionary and just stringify each one of these enumerations as keys in the dictionary and associate it with a value. The values are fuck you 1, fuck you 2, fuck you 3, fuck you 4, fuck you 5, and fuck you 6. Why? First of all, because we are running out of column space. Second of all, because all they need to be is unique error messages. That's all we care about for error messages is, can we identify the offending piece of code? And indeed, this is enough to do that. We're going to get the correct error message out of the dictionary, and then we are going to log it, and then also crash. Thank you. Send me money in the mail, like and subscribe.